The bonding strip in Type AC cable serves multiple purposes. Firstly, it provides an electrical connection between the cable armor and the equipment grounding conductor at each termination point. This ensures that any fault currents are properly grounded. Secondly, the bonding strip helps to maintain the integrity of the cable armor and prevents it from kinking or breaking. Thirdly, the bonding strip acts as a shield against electromagnetic interference, reducing its impact on the conductors. The National Electrical Code, Section 320.100, requires Type AC cable to have an internal bonding strip of copper or aluminum for its entire length. If the Type AC cable lacks a bonding strip, it does not meet the National Electrical Code requirements and cannot be used. The following steps should be taken. 1. Notify the distributor who supplied the cable about the issue. 2. The entire roll of cable should be replaced with cable that meets the National Electrical Code requirements. 3. Once the new cable is installed, it should be re-inspected to ensure proper grounding and bonding. The bonding strip is an essential component of Type AC cable. Its absence compromises both the safety and performance of the electrical system. It is crucial to ensure that the bonding strip is present and properly connected before using Type AC cable.